Today's 2-minute tip is Google Cast for Education. Google Cast is one of those extensions that you want to make sure that you install from the Chrome Web Store. Just look for Google Cast for Education. Once it's installed, it will show up here where your extensions are. This is the teacher machine for today, and over here we have the student machine. So once the extension's installed, the teacher just clicks this button and names the receiver. So mine is going to be Overstreet's room. And you save. So this is whatever will show up, whatever shows up here is what shows up on the teacher's machine. And you can enter classes that you've got in Google Cast, or you can just enter a person's email address, and they can either request or you can just say they can present. And once you add them, then on the student machine, they will click the 3 little buttons up in the upper right, and they will go down to Cast. When they do that, they will see the different options. Overstreet's room setup. They click that, and automatically on Overstreet's machine, it has the presentation. And so the student can then click through, but because this is the teacher's machine, I'm not going to be able to. But the student would present from their machine. If you have questions about how to use Google Cast, just let me know.